Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like tea. B. She doesn't like tea. C. She isn't likes tea. I dash him since 2020. A. No. B. Have known. C. Knew. He was accused dash cheating. A. For B. To C. Of. I'd rather dash home today. A. Staying. B. Stayed. C. Stay. Which is a synonym of happy? A. Joyful. B. Angry. C. Tired. The opposite of generous is dash. A. Selfish. B. Helpful. C. Gentle. She sings as if she dash a star. A. Is. B. Were. C. B. Let's go out, dash. A. Don't we? B. Do we? C. Shall we? The train arrived dash time. A. On. B. At. C. Ing. Which sentence is correct? A. I have visited Paris last year. B. I visited Paris last year. C. I was visited Paris last year. The bag is too heavy dash me to lift. A. For. B. To. C. With. His performance was dash better than expected. A. Much. B. Very. C. More. Choose the correct passive voice. A. He has done the work. B. The work has been done by him. C. The work is done him. We should avoid dash junk food. A. Eat. B. To eat. C. Eating. Who is the dash man in the room? A. Most tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. They dash their homework now. A, doing B, are doing C, does. The car, along with the bikes, dash parked outside. A, are B, is C, were. Which one is an interjection? A, quickly. B, wow. C, under. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? A, wow, what a great shot. B, wow, what a great shot. C, wow, what a great shot. The baby dash sleeping when I arrived. A, was. B, were. C, is. She has been working here 5 years. A, since. B, for. C, by. Which is the correct comparative form? A, gooder. B, more good. C, better. Which word means fake? A, authentic. B, genuine. C, counterfeit. My father is honest man. A, B, and C, the. He said that he busy. A, is. B, was. C, will be. The book is divided 4 chapters. A, among. B, into. C, in. What part of speech is the word beautifully? A, noun. B, adjective. C, adverb. I could not attend the class. I was sick. A, so. B, because. C, but. He was late to catch the train. A, enough. B, too. C, very. A piece of cake means A, a dessert. B, something very easy. C, a reward. I am fond dash painting. A, with B, of C, at. We will start when everyone dash. A, arrives. B, arrive. C, will arrive. Which word is a modal? A, do. B, can. C, does. Neither John nor his friends dash coming. A, is. B, are. C, was. If I dash rich, I would travel the world. A, am. B, was. C, were. The team dash practicing for hours. A, have been. B, has been. C, are. Which is a noun? A, jump. B, run. C, happiness. Dash you ever seen snow? A, did. B, have. C, has. What's the antonym of accept? A, receive. B, reject. C, respect. Please dash the door. A, close. B, closed. C, closing. I was reading when the lights dash. A, went off. B, go off. C, gone off. He is taller than dash. A, me. B, I. C, mine. She insisted that he dash attend the meeting. A, must. B, should. C, would. Which one is a proper noun? A, country. B, girl. C, Pakistan. The police dash arrested the thief. A, has. B, have. C, is. She never listens my advice. A, at B, to C, with. His handwriting is than mine. A, worse. B, bad. C, baddest. He tried to open the door, but it was A, looked. B, locked. C, lock. I met her the airport. A, in. B, at. C, on. Everyone was invited, Tom. A, except B, except C, without.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.